Welcome to my channel. Plants are vital. Garden without colors has no meaning. Though growing flowers are challenging, luckily there are some flowers which are a blessing. And by adding them to your garden, you can make your garden colorful. Let's see. What are these? Among these foremost is periwinkle flower. These are also called vinca or sadabahar in Urdu. I have two varieties of periwinkle, Desi type and hybrid one. Let's talk about Desi one first. Desi type. This is Desi type. This is a very easy to grow plant, required no fertilizer or special care, but bloom well throughout the year. I have been growing this plant for 10 years. Interesting thing is here that when pollination takes place in this plant, you don't need to put efforts in sowing seeds and growing plant. Just leave the plant at its place and you will observe in few months periwinkle flowers begin to grow in other places too in your garden and add beautiful colors in it. As you can see, my plant is also growing along with Sansevieria plant. Because this plant is grown as a result of wind pollination, here is another growing with money plant. As you can see, it became an adult plant and start flowering. This is also grown by wind pollination. Actually, the mother plant died of harsh blowing winds last days. I will give you complete information about wind pollination in a separate video. Let's move ahead. These are the hybrid one. These are also very easy to grow plant. This variety comes in many colors. As you see, this is in white color, most favorite of mine. This is light pink in color, looking gorgeous. This is in peach color, very beautiful. You can enjoy these beautiful flowers whole year without putting much effort and need of any fertilizer. Care and tips. Keep them in bright sunlight. They love to grow in sunlight. Watering them daily. As you observe the soil get completely dried and leaves drop down. Water them until and unless it drains out of the plant at the bottom because it has well developed root system. Second plant is Portulaca plant, also called moss rose flower. I love this plant. Every morning I observe first their blooms and captured videos in my phone. This is also very easy to grow plant and it comes in various colors. This is in yellow color. Look at its beautiful flower, gorgeous. Here is another in red color. This plant is also growing well. As you can see, its succulent leaves and many flowers are blooming in this plant. Here is another in vibrant pink color. This flower is different from the previous ones. I like this one most, very beautiful. Here is another pot. Actually, Portulaca grows very fast. Its propagation is also very easy. I will tell you in a separate video. This plant is also growing very well. You can observe many birds are arising in this plant. It blooms daily. This plant also gives flower whole year and without putting much effort and fertilizer, you can enjoy their blooms throughout the year and make your garden colorful. Care and tips. Avoid keeping them in direct intense sunlight. They happily grow at places where they receive indirect sunlight. The flowers need sunlight to bloom, so avoid keeping the plant under shade or indoor. Watering them daily. When you observe completely dried soil, then water them. Although they have succulent leaves that stores water in it, but I observe flower blooms well if you water them daily. In this way, you can add colors to your garden and keep it colorful whole year. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Please write your comments and you can ask any question regarding these flowers. Thank you for watching.